I was born in Portland, Oregon, and after several years of moving from coast to coast, my family finally ended up here in Phoenix. We moved into a new house and got settled in and slowly adjusted to our new surroundings. My parents are both very loving and caring, and they've helped me so much. I have a sister 6 years younger than me, and she constantly annoys me. Even so, she is my sister, so I still love her. For my future, though, I'm going to need a lot of support, commitment, and responsibility. I'm going to need an ocean of support from my family. With them getting my back, I feel like I can do more and it makes me more confident. I'm also going to need a bucket full of commitment. For example, when I'm doing my homework, but I want to play my video games, I'm going to have to finish that homework first instead of just stopping to get the video games and get a bad grade on my homework. And finally, I'm going to need a mountain of responsibility. For example, if I'm in the Army and I break an important piece of equipment, I'm probably going to be in more trouble about lying and saying someone else broke it than I would be if I just told the truth in the first place. So, in preparation for all of the hardships I'm going to have to deal with further down the line, I feel that commitment, responsibility, and support will help me get through them the best.